Hi, Pumas. I'm going to lead you through sort of what's going on with this pre-assessment situation. So hopefully everyone has this handy. So this is the envelope that you received in the mail with your pre-assessment in it. Now you may have noticed it said to do not open until instructed. Now is the time for you to open this. So when you open it, inside you'll find a few things. One, you'll find your test with your name on it. Make sure it has the correct course you were taking. It'll say what course you were taking, and then it'll say your name. Make sure that you have the correct information there. You will find information from the Cristo Rey network about the test and about how to send it back. And you'll also see this envelope. Now, this envelope is very important. This is how you're going to get the test back to the people who need to get it. So what you're going to do when this video is finished is you are going to take this pre-assessment with your camera on. Now this pre-assessment, think of it a lot like the PSAT, right? Where it is not going to affect your specific math grade, right? It's not going to affect your algebra grade or your geometry grade or your algebra 2 or pre-calc or whatever, right? It's not going to affect your grade for that class, but it is going to give you really important information. It's also going to give us important information. It's also going to give the Cristo Rey network important information. So it's really important that we try our best on this. Now, the test you are taking, pre-assessment, is to see what you have already learned, right? So the test you're taking is going to be on material from the class you took last year. So if you're in Algebra 1, it would be on sort of your 8th grade math class. If you are in geometry, it'd be on Algebra 1. If you are in Algebra 2, it would be on geometry, and so on, right? So it's on the class you took last year. Again, this is just to give us information. So you're going to take this test. We're going to have cameras on while we're taking the test, so your proctor can see that you are taking it honestly, right? Not using outside resources. Really, all you should be using for this is your brain, a calculator, and this test, right? That's really all you need. So when you're instructed to start the test, you may start it. When you finish the test, now this is really important, you're going to want to make sure you put it into this envelope. Now make sure you put it into the envelope that has your name on top and then the educational data systems on the bottom. This means it is getting sent to them. Don't put it back in the envelope that you reopened, right? Put it in the unused envelope and seal it. Once you've done that, all you gotta do is drop it in the mail. It is already paid for, right? This means you don't need to pay postage. All you gotta do once you reseal it is drop it in the mail and you should be good to go. Otherwise, that's really all you got to do. So good luck, try your best. Remember that struggle is a good thing. So even if these are difficult, that means you're working through it. You're learning by doing that. But otherwise, if you have any questions, ask your proctor. All right, goodbye.